Did you eat? You finish
Hello.
eating?
Oh,
Hello?
hello.
Oh, there you go. All right. Did you finish eating?
Uh, yes. I
What?
just chewed it,
Oh, okay. Was it good?
and it hurts a lot because lollipop is harder than a rock, and when you chew it, it feels like you're chewing a rock.
Ah, why did you chew it then? You should have licked it.
Oh, and if and when my dad is really angry, and when I talk to him, it's like talking to a wall.
Oh my gosh. Why is he angry at you? What did you do?
Sometimes he gets angry because I fight with my little sister.
Ah, so don't fight with your little sister. Take care of her instead.
Yes, I try to do that something like 20 million times a day.
Right. And try it 40 million times now. Okay?
Uh, but if that doesn't work, should I do it 80 million times?
Yeah, if it still doesn't work, double it 160 million times. 160 million times.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay? More
And
and
if
more
that
and more.
doesn't work, then I should uh,
Billion.
do billion and 20 times,
Right,
20
right.
billion
Do more and
times.
more. Exactly. So don't lose hope, okay?
Okay.
All right. So let's continue with your book.
Identify the solid shape of the following objects. A drinking glass. A drinking glass
Mm-hmm.
is a cylinder. I don't think it's a cylinder because it has a giant hole.
It has a
A globe.
hole.
A globe is a sphere. It's actually wrong because you can see because you can see a
Ah.
holder and a thing like that.
Oh, even though it's a holder, if you're going to remove the holder and just the globe, it is
Oh.
still a sphere.
A box. A box is a rectangular prism
Why is it a rectangular prism?
because because the box cannot be a sphere because then it would be super weird.
Very good. Can it be a cube?
Yes.
Yes, but it cannot be a it cannot be a sphere. Very good. Oh, anyway, so let's continue.
Examples.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's okay. There it is.
Frank needs a container where he can put his marble collection. He is looking for a container that has two circular faces with no edges or vertex. Which one should he choose? Answer. Frank should choose the should the cylinder shaped be one because that's cylinder shaped.
Okay, very good. Why? Why that?
Because he wanted that one and it has no vertices or edges.
Ah, okay. How about this one, the sphere?
Uh, it needs faces, but that one doesn't have faces.
Very good. That one doesn't have any face. Yeah, or faces. Great job. And okay, next one.
Identify the solid shapes of the blah 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 blah.
Of
Frank
the
needs a
wait.
container where he can put his marble collection.
No,
Identify
no,
the
no.
solid shapes of the following objects. An ice cream cone,
Mm-hmm.
corn shaped, a
A
ball,
cone shape.
uh, a ball is a sphere shaped, a jar.
Very good.
A jar is a cylinder shaped, a watermelon.
Uh-huh.
A watermelon is a sphere shaped.
Very good. Great job. Sorry, so this is easy for you. Okay, what's your favorite shape?
Uh, is a rectangle because I can make this with a rectangle.
Ah, I
It's a
see. What's that?
it's a Korean traditional toy, and I mean not really traditional, but it's traditional because they use it in these days, not the days like where they had a big war between where Korean and Japan. Only
Ah,
the normal days where I'm a, I'm born and my mom's born and my great grandpa is dead. Well, my cousin's great grandpa is still alive. I wish my great grandpa was still alive. And
you want to see
one
him?
time when I was going to my great grandma's tomb, I
Mm-hmm.
my mom accidentally found a dead rat. A rat
Oh,
that isn't alive.
ew. Ah, are
It
you
was
scared of that?
actually surrounded by an army of ants.
Oh, yes, yes. They're swarming over the rat. Oh, okay.
Wendy's
Anyway.
looking for the container where she puts her books. She the container she used is a rectangular prism. Which of this
Mm-hmm.
container did she use? Nothing, because it has a big hole.
Has a big hole. But
So I guess I'm right.
nothing. But there is. She can use something for her books. Of course, yeah, she cannot
Okay,
eat this.
answer B,
Yeah, BYB.
because because it's
Uh,
because it's rectangular prism.
yeah, it's because it's a rectangular prism. And what's the shape of the books? Of books?
My one of my book isn't rectangle or something like that at all, because it looks like this.
Mm-hmm. Like how?
It's one of my books, and it this is how it looks.
That's strange. Ah, okay. So it has a peculiar
Yes.
shape. Yeah, for books it has different shapes. So it can come in like squares or big shapes or even yeah, small squares. So it depends. But normally books are rectangular or square in shape. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So how about C? What the shape is C?
C is a cylinder shape because it's an ice cream. Ice
Yeah.
cream container.
Yeah, ice cream bucket. Ice cream and mini queen.
Phyllis wants to. Wendy is
Wait, it's
looking for the
sharing.
container to shut her. She put her
Here.
books. Phyllis wants to wrap her presents. Her present is a dog cone for brother's dog. Help her choose a container to put her present in. Answer A,
Okay, why A?
because it looks like a cone, and it is.
Exactly. All right, very good. So if this one is longer, if this was a rectangular prism, it's okay. However, it's a cube, so it's not okay. It's too small.
If what solid shape has more than 10 edges and, and only two square faces? Uh,
Hmm.
uh,
What shape has more than 10 edges
I don't know.
and only have two square faces? You think? Come on, you think you have a lot of time?
Um,
Hmm.
uh, can I go to the page before the before? Can I go to the page before the this page?
That one?
Before this one.
Before that one? Wait. This one?
Before that
Before
one.
that?
Before that
This
one.
one?
Before that one.
Okay, wait then. Let this wait.
Before that one.
Before that one.
Before that one.
Wait. How about this?
Before that one, I think.
It's not
Before that one.
this. Before that one? That's oh no, what's this? That's it. That's the first one. That's it.
Uh,
Ah, 10 edges.
I don't know.
This is too difficult. 10 edges. That would be your homework. Look for it, okay?
Uh, it can't because I don't have
Because,
the next book.
no, but you can ask your mom or ask your dad about it.
Oh.
What has
What's the answer of
edges
that
and
one?
two faces? I'm not sure if it's the correct answer, but it's like a pentagonal. But yeah, I'm not sure as well. So I'm going to look for it as well, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Curious, curious. Okay, anyways, wait. Let's continue. Where is that?
There isn't a. Is there? I don't think there is actually a shape with only
Faces
two faces.
and 10. Yeah, because if it if it has 10 more than 10 sides, that would be a lot of faces as well,
Yes. So I guess the
right?
answer is no.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, still I'm going to look for that. Wait, wait. Yeah, no, yeah, no.
So I guess there
Ah,
isn't any curse that.
yes, there is no nothing. So this I'll share you a picture
Okay.
about it. So wait for a moment. Here, this one. Wait, 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 wait. So this is what you can use. This one. Can you see it? So where is that 10? It has turn 10, but 7 faces, 15 edges. 10 edges but 6 faces. A pentagonal based pyramid. So there's no answer. Okay?
Okay. No answer.
Right. Okay, homework.
Uh, can I do it for homework because my mom doesn't allow me to draw on the computer.
Ah, right, right, because it's drawing. I'm sorry, I did not check that one. Wait.
Escape part.
Okay, wait for a moment. Lesson 2.
Relating shapes to solid figures.
All right, next page.
In this lesson, we will talk about relating shapes to solid figures. We will see what plane shapes are on different solid figures. You can see 6 squares on each cube. One cube, 6 squares.
Yeah, is equal to 6 squares. So in here, you're just going to relate what shape are there in one figure. Okay, a cube is easy because it has the same sides, right?
We
How
can
about
see
the
six
next one?
rectangle.
Oh, wait.
Draw an
Circle.
example of an object. We can see six rectangles on a rectangular prism. One rectangular prism equals to six rectangles.
Yes, if you're going to divide it, this is how it looks like.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
All right, next one.
We can see two squares on a cylinder and one circle on a cone.
Okay, so one cone is, for cylinder,
Why is there
two
only two
circles.
faces? Shouldn't they add a square too?
For which one?
On the
On the
on the
cylinder?
on the cylinder part. And so
Why square?
it's a square over the square between the two circles because
You mean this
they
one?
should wrap. They can yes wrap they should wrap the square up so it could be the square.
It's not actually square because it is curved. So it is curved. It's round.
But
So
why
it's not
isn't there
square.
there is a third one?
Where there is a
Why isn't there
uh,
the the one in the middle of the circles?
which one? This one? This one?
Yes.
Oh, they just drew that because they cannot really draw the how can I the exact shape. They just use it that way. They just use the two straight lines. Because if
Oh,
you're going to see, for example, this one, it's a cylinder, right?
yes.
So it's straight. However, it has no edge because it's circle, right? It's
Oh,
circle. That's why
uh,
it's not square.
okay.
Okay, and how about the cone?
The a cone is equal to one circle.
All right, only one circle. Okay, next one.
We can see four triangles and a square on a pyramid.
Okay, so this is how it looks like when you're going to divide them. The one below here, this one. So if you're going to
Okay.
divide it,
One square pyramid. Four triangles and a square.
what is the square part? What part is this? This is
It's a I don't know.
it's the base.
Oh,
Okay, this part here at the bottom.
okay.
All right, next one.
Uh, some
Very
pyramids
good.
are made of four triangles.
Mm-hmm.
One triangle pyramid. Four triangles.
Okay. All right. So in this case, if it only has like three, if
I
it
hear
has
some
four
pyramids
triangles,
are made of five triangles and a square.
five triangles and a square.
Yes.
Why, why five triangles and a square? Not
Uh, I
four. It should be
yes.
four because a square has four edges, right? One, two, three, four. So it can only have four triangles, not
And,
five.
there is no square because I think that and there is no square because and has some kind of shape. I don't remember if it was a hexagon or octagon.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, we'll also learn those kinds of shapes next time since those are more advanced, more difficult. Even the polyhedrons, those kinds of shapes, more science. But our time is not enough, so we'll continue with page 181 next time. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so thank you so much for today, Ted. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye.